Hey everyone, today we're reviewing investing.com, one of the most popular financial websites that millions of traders and investors use daily. So, what is investing.com? Here's the critical thing to understand. Investing.com is not a trading platform or broker where you can buy and sell stocks or crypto. Instead, it's a financial information portal and news website. Think of it more like Bloomberg or Yahoo Finance. It provides data, not trading services. Founded in 2007, Investing.com is one of the top 3 global financial websites in the world. The company is registered in Cyprus with operations in Israel, and it's been serving millions of users for nearly 18 years. So, what does it actually offer? It provides real time market quotes, financial news, analysis, charts, technical data, and an economic ladder covering over 250 exchanges worldwide. You can track stocks, bonds, commodities, forex, cryptocurrencies, and more, all in one place. Their mobile app has constantly been ranked as the top financial markets app on Google Play for the last 5 years. That's impressive and shows genuine user trust adoptions. Some key features include real time data and quotes from global markets, comprehensive financial news covering currencies, commodities, stocks, and economic indicators, technical analysis tools including charts and indicators, economic calendars showing upcoming events that impact markets, portfolio tracking features to monitor your investments, and Investing Pro, the premium subscription service with AI analysis and advanced data. Is it legit and safe? Absolutely yes. Invested.com has a Trustpilot rating of 3.9 or 5 based on hundreds of reviews. Users consistently praise the platform for providing comprehensive financial data, up to date information, real time data, and a user friendly interface. Many consider it their primary source for market insights. Since it's not a broker or trading platform, you are not depositing money or executing trades through investing.com. This actually makes it safer in many ways. There's no risk of them running off with your funds because they never hold your funds in the first place. The pros? It is completely legitimate and established with an 18-year track record. Comprehensive free financial data and news. You don't have to pay for basic features. Highly rated mobile app available in iOS and Android. It covers global markets, not just US stocks, and is trusted by millions of users worldwide. However, it has some cons. It's not a trading platform. You can't actually buy or sell through them. The free version has ads, which can be annoying. Some advanced features require a paid subscription. Data accuracy can occasionally have delays, though this is rare. The final verdict? It's 100% legit. It's one of the most trusted financial information websites in the world. Just remember, it's a research tool, not a trading platform. So use it to make informed decisions, then trade through a properly regulated broker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.